Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to add music to your slides in PowerPoint. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. What you're going to do here is you have to open your PowerPoint, and then here you have to look for the specific slide where you want to add your music. Now you have to look for insert, and that is one of the options above. Tap on insert here. And here you have to look for a speaker icon or music icon. What you're going to do is tap on this audio right here, and then you can add your audio from your computer or laptop or whatever device you have. So you have to make sure that you have your MP3 or you have your music already. Then what you're going to do here is tap on that music or that audio that you want to add here to your slide. Now, once you have added the music, you should see the speaker icon right here, and then you can place it anywhere you want on this specific slide. If you want to add some changes, for example, if you want to start audio in click sequence, automatically or when click on, everything is up to you. So for example, automatically, so once you present the slideshow, the music will start on that specific slide. Also, you can play across slides, loop, and then you can also hide this one. So you just have to tap here whatever you want to change or whatever you want to apply or not. And basically that's how easy it is to add music to your slides in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.